It's a very great honor to be selected as a recipient for one of the 2020 Midori Prizes. Although I've been designated to receive this award, it really recognizes the contributions made by my research group at the Center for Biodiversity Genomics and by colleagues around the world who have joined with the International Barcode of Life Consortium. 35 nations are now involved, and they're all striving to use DNA-based approaches to advance our understanding of biodiversity. As you can see from the brightly colored trees in the background, I've recorded this message on a fall day here in Canada. It's not just any fall day, it's the beginning of our Thanksgiving weekend. So the timing is perfect to express my gratitude to the EON Foundation for establishing the Midori Prizes. When one looks at the accomplishments of past laureates, one gains a real sense of the dimensionality of those who are devoting their lives to the protection of biodiversity on our planet. The Midori Prize means a lot to me personally because it's linkage to two organizations that I admire: the Secretariat for the Convention on Biological Diversity and the EON Foundation. The prize can be used to support a cherished cause, and in my case, this was an easy decision to make. The world, especially the developing world, needs to know more about its biodiversity. So my prize will be used to help support the analysis of 100,000 specimens collected by researchers in 10 developing nations. And that work will likely reveal 10,000 new species. These records will join the millions already present on the Barcode of Life's data system, helping to advance our knowledge of the diversity and distribution of species around our world. This is how DNA barcoding works. Barcode by barcode, we reveal life, providing humanity with the knowledge that it requires to better manage it and protect it. And through its support, the EON Foundation has directly contributed to biodiversity preservation and to our approach. And for this, I'm deeply grateful. And it also provides an opportunity for me to thank the Secretariat for the Convention on Biological Diversity for the tremendous support that they have offered to us at the Center for Biodiversity Genomics by providing the support, making it possible to train young researchers in nations around the world. While this award signals the appreciation for the work that the DNA barcode community has already achieved, I think it's really important to emphasize just how far we have to go to understand the species on our planet. But we know what's required and we understand the time frame. And within 20 years, we can move humanity from where it is now, a very fractured, fragmented understanding of life, to being in a position where we can track the distribution of species around our planet on an ongoing basis, ensuring their protection.